This is a Land Rover TD5. Oh, hang on. Eh? Good morning, sports fans, and today is the day that we're going to get the engine fitted in place and work out the gearbox mount and see if we can start working out how to plumb things in. And yeah, I want the engine in. The next 2 days we're filming on this, trying to get it pushed on because we need to get it down to Shane at Car Junkies, and I need to sort out the prop shafts, getting all the prop shafts connected and work out and make sure everything's the right rotation. God, I hope all this goes to plan. And if you don't know me, I'm Colin. We're Shine Automotive, car project YouTube channel and a garage. We run a garage and we film every week, well we try to film every week, a week in Shine, which is the day-to-day life of an independent backstreet garage, as I'd say, not ripping people off, keeping people on the road for cheap. And I waffle a lot. The king of waffle. Right, let's get it washed down, let's get it in the garage and let's have a walk. Again, a massive thank you to Clean Sport that have kindly sent us out a collection of goodies, and they've sent me these out. This looks really good. Palm sander, which takes the DA disc. So I'm always sick of doing the ones where you clamp them round, so that you just slap it on there and away you go. Look at that, it's even molded to my fingers. All the slitting discs. So these, what are these, 40 grit? Oh, look at them, big boy 40 grits. Look at them. Honestly, once you've tried an abrasive product from Clean Sport, you'll never go back to using anything. What I'm going to try and do this week, I might try and get some slitting discs of cheaper sort and get 2 grinders fired up side by side and show the wear of them. I think that'd be a good idea, wouldn't it, Lewis? Remind me on Monday to buy some cheap slitting discs.
Yes.
Okay? Hi, Louis.
Hello.
Can't move in here. You cannot swing a cat in here. Cannot swing a cat. The engine is about to go in. With the full G-Wagon build, it is kindly sponsored by Puripass. Puripass.com is a single reference point for men who may be feeling under pressure and not sure what help is available to them. Mental health matters. If you've got an addiction, problem, anything, the website has all the links, everything you need to do with mental health. Those lads like to bottle stuff up inside, right? And it's good to talk, and you need to talk. And if you don't want to talk to your family, your friends, your loved ones, there's somebody there on that website that can help you out. And it is simple as that. Go and talk to somebody, get it off your head. Because I know, ex-military, served in Iraq, you have issues, things happen in life. Don't let it boil up inside. Go and talk to somebody, because it will help you out massively. And with that, what have we got? Puripass t-shirts were to give away. And believe it or not, we only have an XL one left, double XL, triple XL, triple XL, triple XL. These could be your bedtime nighties. So if you want a t-shirt, and I tell you what we'll do, we'll chuck a t-shirt in. We've still got a few of the Shenanigans books by Peter Klobuchar, right? You're getting a book, you're getting a t-shirt, right? I want the funniest joke down below, which we haven't done this for ages. Funniest joke down below. What you've got to say is Puripass, and then your funny joke. If you don't know how to spell it, it's there. It's just been in the video. You've got to start out with that, and I'll pick the funny... No, I won't pick the funniest joke. The joke with the most likes will get a t-shirt sent out within 7 days of the video being out. There we go, back to the video waffle over. Puripass, men's mental health. Don't forget to talk, lads. So what I'm thinking, I don't know if it's going to move, and the chain wants to be quite tight, doesn't it? Yeah. I didn't know whether we wanted to send this up a bit more. I don't know.
Well, I was thinking about just getting a trolley jack under one side.
What, when it comes to...
Just put a trolley jack under this side and you can manoeuvre it, can't you? Or a little bottle jack.
I can't work out what John was trying to work out with this, you see. Just put a bottle jack under there. Red bottle jack or something like that, Matt.
Yeah.
Sit on a piece of wood. You've got plenty of room here to use.
You just need a little bit of adjustment, don't you?
Yeah. Or, worst case scenario, we just have to chuck the legs of the ramp under to lift it and pack it. We're good. Right, let's see what happens then, Lou. Jack underneath, you. Yeah. Let the jack down. Quickly. Well, you do it as fast as you want to do it, Lewis. Need to look at the clearance now. I don't know how far we had it up before, you see.
Right, drag it out the way, Luke, please, and I'll get underneath that.
Do you want another map, Matt?
No, darling.
No. Right.
Oh shit.
What?
Oh, I know what we've done.
What? Got engine upside down?
No, you know how it bolts onto the bracket?
Yeah.
And there might be a chain in the way?
You are having a laugh.
I'm not. Lou, go away with that camera.
It's alright, it's not on you, man.
I don't know how.
Yeah, right, so that bolts on like that, then he's going to make another bracket with a mount on there like that. So that's your gearbox bracket.
Yeah.
That bolts onto all those holes.
Yeah.
Like so.
Do we need to lose this?
And then he was going to make another bracket with a single big mount on there to pick that up.
Got you. We don't need to lose that, do we? Because you might be able to...
No, we don't need to lose that, but
We need to move the chain.
we need to move the chain. Can I have that trolley jack, please, back, please, Luke? Yeah.
Yeah, good day.
Right.
There, John. Under the accelerator pedal. What are you doing, Lewis?
Yeah, I was just fiddling with Matt's nuts while looking in his eyes.
You're going to have to take it out your way, mate.
Gazing. You're going to have to stick it out your way.
My way or the highway.
Right, I see. What do you say, Matthew?
Wiggle it, Luke.
I'm tugging.
Go on, Lewis, tug him off.
Right.
Oh, I see the issue.
You have to be careful, Lewis. There's only a set way it'll come out.
There you go, Luke.
So the last bit that we got done yesterday was fitting this frame that John at JW Fabrication gave us. We had to do a little bit of modification to it, and we got some new bolts to go in there, and now we need to sort out a cradle. What I did is I chopped these off the Discovery chassis, and these are part of holding the rear support cradle, and luckily they fit perfectly into our chassis. So we've got them. So I've stripped that one down to work out the position we need it, and then that'll hold the support that comes across, which is here, which is slightly longer, but we've chopped one end off so we can make it shorter, and then the bobbin and the rubber will be in there, so that'll be bolted up, and then at least that's a serviceable part that we can take on and off. So I just chopped them off the chassis like this, and that is the seam there that I've got to remove. So I'm going to remove that now, get these cleaned up, and then we can get the gearbox finally fitted, and that'll be the engine where we need to be, and then we'll look at getting prop shafts off and stuff like that. I've had a nightmare of a morning because my Milwaukee battery charger decided to die, so I've been to collect one this morning, and that is the only 2 charge batteries we have. We have 15 batteries waiting to get charged. It's going to be a fun day today. So these bits are all prepped, ready to go on. Obviously we need to work out how far that is. I've just warmed them up and I've blabbered them in the rust cure after cleaning them down. These ones I give them a wire brush down, heated them up, blabbered them in rust cure, and I've just put some gloss black in there now just for some protection, because they go up into the chassis. So they're prepped, and I got into there as best I could. I've got some rust cure in there, so this is all good to go, and then we need to work out the hole and get all that in. But yeah, we'll get that sorted in the next bit. What have you just done, Lewis?
Taking the drive shaft.
I can't hear you, you need to speak up because we're outside in the wind.
Taking the prop shafts off.
Taking the prop shafts off, the front one and the back one. So they're all done. How did they come off? All right. And then that's where I chopped this brace out from, there, that went across. So I'm just going to line that up now, and we're going to get that fitted. And there we are, a lovely chassis. I can't wait to get rid of this chassis and all the bits. There we go. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
You're not happy today, yeah?
No, I don't like eBay.
eBay.
No, not really.
You're falling out with eBay today. Right, there we go. Let's gather the tools up and let's go. We were trying to get John down from JW Fabrications to help out, but he had his own stuff going on, trying to get his Navara pickup finished, which in the not too distant future, I'm going to be painting a crazy colour. You're either going to like it or you're not going to like it, like Marmite. But I've got to say a massive thank you to John for all his fab work, because without his help, I don't think we'd have got it this far on. You know, he spent a lot of time making the front engine mounts and then sorting out the gearbox bracket for us to finish off. So a massive thank you to John. You waiting for me now? Yeah. Right on.
Let go of that, haven't you?
That side drops it off. Look alright on this side, like.
Yeah, I think we're alright,
the
mate.
tack just come off, like so. Get on there or something. Oh, I can get on there.
You get on that.
I got it.
Yeah.
Ooh, good job, I'm skinny.
Did you just hear that, mate?
What?
Did you just hear that?
I did it as well. Come put a tack on here, Lou. What? That's alright. That's alright. That'll do. That's it. Very nice.
There is such thing as bad penetration.
Yeah, there is lots of things of bad penetration on it. Wow, someone just gone in my ear right down to the bottom.
What are you doing, Colin?
Me trying to get the welder dialed in because obviously it only welds up little shit. I'm trying to get it to penetrate into the chassis and make sure the welds don't just look nice and sit on top. So we're just getting it dialed in because it takes a lot of weight. So we need to make sure it's all right. Right, so with the engine, it is all set in place. Now we've had to put it on a very, 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 very slight wonk because it will not fit. It's a NASCAR, as Matthew said. It is next to nothing, maybe 10 mil, if that. But we've got the engine, all these wicked engine mounts that John made, and frames that bolt on. Proper job. Now, all sorted, engines in place, all nicely welded up. We've got all the frame, the solid mount, all in place, looking fantastic. So yeah, well happy with that. So what we're gonna try and do is obviously with this access hole, we're gonna make this removable because then it's future proof for servicing and looking after. We need to bring it up here and then do an adaptation, and we'll probably use rib nuts so you can bolt that, and that'll be on with a seal that we can seal that round. So we'll probably bring it up, extend it up, and use the original piece but higher up because obviously the clearance of where we've brought this up. So it did come up before but not as high as that, and then we'll have to do a swan neck throw for the gear shifter. Or we just leave it really small so John has to lean over and get cramp. And there'll be a big button here for John mode with a switchable map because it'll be off to Shane at Car Junkies. Right, so Shane at Car Junkies, he'll be doing all the electrics because we won't be able to work that out, and he'll do the switchable map and all stuff like that. So a massive thank you to everyone that's been involved with the build, Baxters and Breakers, JW Fabrications, Shane at Car Junkies, Pass, John's G-Wagon will be done soon. We just got to sort out the prop shaft. So if any of you know any companies local to us or want to get involved with sorting out connecting the prop shafts and getting it all right so it doesn't drive down the road like that, I'd appreciate that. So right, anyway, let's have a chat with John. Right, so we've got the engine in, we've got all the mounts done, so moving on into the next one, we'll be working out prop
Mercedes
shafts.
Eat your heart out.
Yeah.
TD5, good engine in there.
Are you happy with the work so far, John?
Absolutely overwhelmed with it.
Overwhelmed.
Brilliant.
Wicked.
And the quality is absolutely spot on.
Yeah, John with them engine mounts has done a mega job.
But the way the engine mounts are welded into the chassis, it could have been done with a machine. It was done by Colin.
Look at that. So in the next one, plumbing in more stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
I'm not saying bye to him.
Say bye now.
No.
Say bye to the people.
Bye, people.